So what does Cher, Dolly Parton, and a glyph have in common? They're all icons, darling! So the icon I want to talk to you about today, you might be surprised it's not Dolly Parton, it's the icon in a graphic design sense. Now, what exactly is an icon? Well, icon is actually short for iconography, and it's basically the illustrations that you would find on websites and in presentations. Usually a very small little illustration that symbolizes the text that's kind of sitting next to it. Now, we've all been to those colleague meetings where they've got a large presentation and it's full of about 20 to 30 different types of illustrations and icons, and it's just a crazy mess. So if you don't want to be the person that all of your colleagues talk about, you might want to choose an icon style, whether it's for your business or for your brand. Now, there is 3 key icon styles to choose from. There is line icon, there is flat icon, and there are glyph icons. Now, a flat icon is basically an icon that is of one color and it looks like an object or thing. A line icon is basically an illustration that's drawn in a single line. Now, these can come in often different sizes and thicknesses, and this is the one where I often see people get it wrong the most, is when they're using different line icons from different libraries and they have all different thickness widths in their shape, and it looks quite atrocious when you see a variety of these together. So if you're going to go down this route, I would stay with flat icons just because they're a lot more streamlined. And the third one is being a glyph icon, or hieroglyphics is another way to think about it. So there's Egyptian drawings. So they're often similar to a flat icon, but they've got more than one color in them. So they're a little bit more illustrative in terms of a little bit more detail in a glyph icon than the other two. So just to wrap it up, there are 3 types of icons. The first one being flat, so single color, flat drawing. The second is outline with different stroke weights, but if you're going to go down this route, make sure that you choose one size and stick to it, or you will have an atrocious looking icon set. And the third one being glyph, which is of course is more detailed icon with a few more colors. So these are our 3 icons, and that's my tip for today on how to get icons and keep them consistent in your brand. I'm Ben, and this is 5 with 55.